Welcome to the P-Show Electric Rooftop Sleeper User Guide. Open the wooden crate, you'll see the folded sleeper and a small box. Inside the box. Tools needed. Wires are reserved for the LED light strip and the ventilation fan. Locate the two motor cables on the sleeper, front and back, and plug them into the controller, no polarity. Two power options. Use the cigarette lighter cable, connect to controller, then to car socket. Connect directly to a 12V supply or car battery. Locate the reserved cables for the LED light strip and the ventilation fan, 12V supply. The positive and negative wires are clearly labeled. Connect according to the labels to complete the wiring. Now all the wires are connected. Connect the power. Press the remote center button to activate, then press up to lift the sleeper. To close, hold down continuously. This safety design prevents accidents inside. If an error code appears, reset first, solves 90% of issues. Reset. Hold the center button about 30 seconds. SE shows on the remote control. System lowers to bottom. 0.3 or 0.1 appears on the remote control. Reset complete. Important. When resetting, make sure to press and hold the remote control button continuously. Do not release until the reset process is fully completed. To open doors. Press the small round button while pushing up the panel slightly. Make sure to slightly push the door panel upward at the same time. Otherwise, the button cannot be pressed down and the door will not be released. After lowering, secure with bottom latches, then fasten with side latches. Press the ceiling switch to turn on LED lights. Use the tool on the side handle, insert into the vent hole, rotate to open, then turn on the fan. The fan above the entry keeps airflow even when the sleeper is closed. The sliding windows have built-in mosquito nets. Before folding, push doors up and lock to the ceiling. Otherwise, damage may occur. Never put hands or head into the scissor system. Risk of injury or death. Ensure no tall objects inside when closing. Thank you for watching. For any questions,